Imagine 25 million tons of coal. If you can't imagine it, try to spread black dust over a football field. And now try to imagine it rising as high as 3 kilometers into the big blue sky. That's the amount of coal Mormugao Port Trust plans to import by 2020. That is just 3 years away. By 2030, they will be getting more ambitious, and the figure would be 51 million tons of coal.
Coal dust, unlike other pollutions, is a killer. The coal gets into our lungs and it will never come out. It just sticks inside and reduces the lung capacity. The Central Pollution Control Board has set up norms which allow a certain amount of pollution. Any activity which breaks the norms has to be shut immediately. There cannot be a second chance.
Government and the leaders say it's for development. Now I don't see any development happening for the common man. Nothing is happening that benefits me. I don't think anything that is happening, the so-called development, is going to benefit my children or the children of my neighbors or other Goans. So development for whom is the big question.
I am purposely giving these dates because the letter by Digambar Kamath is 9th November 2009. After everything was completed, he wrote, in fact he has written there, recently Port has entered into an agreement with Adani Mormugao Port Terminal Private Limited. I hope this is same Adani, not different. This is as you call BJP's close person. He has got all orders during your time.